What does Canada need? Industries that do more than run. They outperform. Because today, running is no longer enough. What Canada needs is built on people. Engineers, dreamers, makers. People who believe innovation matters when it works in the real world. At ABB, throughout Canada, we work shoulder to shoulder with the industries that keep this country moving. Power, transport, manufacturing, buildings, infrastructure. As a global leader in electrification and automation, we create solutions that manage power, control motion, and keep critical operations running 24/7. We connect hardware and software, digital intelligence and physical systems, plugging performance into operations so everything works as one. Our engineers design grid technologies that adapt, automation that responds in real time, solutions that perform reliably in the toughest environments. We don't simply deliver components, we deliver connected ecosystems, helping industries outrun, leaner, cleaner, ready for what's next. Right here in Canada.